Just want to say a special shout out to my nail tech, Britty Gold Touch. Britty, I have seen you grow. I mean, I know you before you started, and I'm so proud of where you are, my girl. I am so proud of you. Congratulations on your grand opening today, and thank you so much for choosing at Chef Nick Sweet Treats to do your personalized logo cake. It was my pleasure serving you, and I look forward to continue working with you. And yeah, remember, coming to do my nails, it's December. Alright, so guys, if you would like your personalized cookies as well, these are sugar cookies. If you'd like your personalized cookies, you can order from us at 876-338-6943.